In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly summarize any article using the ChatGPT Atlas app in just a few easy steps. This handy tool will save you time and effort, providing you with concise summaries at the click of a button. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll want to open the ChatGPT Atlas app. If you're not familiar with it, this app is a powerful tool designed to enhance your productivity by integrating the capabilities of ChatGPT into various tasks. With the app opened, you're ready to move on to the next step, which involves choosing a website. For our demonstration, let's go with Digital Journal, but you can select any site that hosts articles you wish to summarize. Once you're on the website with the article that you find interesting, your next move is to locate the ChatGPT option on the sidebar. This feature is usually accessible from the main interface of the app, designed to provide you with quick interactions with ChatGPT. A simple click on Ask ChatGPT will prepare the tool to start working its magic on the text you want condensed. Now, with ChatGPT engaged, your next step is to select the specific prompt for the task at hand. In this case, since we want a summary, you'll look for and click on the Summarize prompt. This prompt is specifically programmed to analyze the content at hand and distill it into the most essential points, providing you with a coherent summary. Finally, it's time to execute the task. All that's left to do is click Submit. This action sends your request off to ChatGPT, which will now work behind the scenes to provide a concise and informative summary of the article you provided. Within moments, you'll have a neatly packaged summary ready for your review. To wrap up, using the ChatGPT Atlas app to summarize articles is a straightforward process that can dramatically enhance your productivity. By following these simple steps, opening the app, navigating to your chosen website, using the ChatGPT sidebar, selecting the Summarize prompt, and hitting Submit, you'll be able to make the most of your reading time. This tool can be particularly handy for students, researchers, or anyone needing to process large amounts of information quickly. Thank you for joining me in this guide on using the ChatGPT Atlas app for summarizing articles. With a bit of practice, you'll be able to streamline your information intake and sharpen your focus on what's most important. Be sure to give it a try and experience the efficiency for yourself. If you found this video helpful, consider sharing it with others who might benefit as well. Until next time, happy summarizing.